This is not oysters, no, sir. This is 40 body gun oil. Just prime up before you climb up. Before you slime up, your time up. Pepper the boss sauce like the medium. Yeah, morning. Welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, welcome. Morning, Bodow. You don't know, we just liming vibes in a little bit. Foodie Nation by me here, so we're doing a little small thing here. We're going through Trinidad and Tobago, how we just really start to prep the fish, how we just put everything together from foundation to finish. Yeah? We doesn't just only do fish and shrimps and lobster and egg. We do oysters too. Like these size of oysters on them. You seen them? You seen it? Size of monsters we just deal with. See? So you're not only getting roast fish, you're getting roast fish, oysters, not only oysters, 40 body gun oil. Prime up. Most of the time we just tell our brethren, prime up before you climb up, before you slime up, before you time up. Dr. Chattagoon, 40 body gun oil. Level. You understand the thing set up? And my customer come here, they want a cocktail, some people drink it, some drink it in the shell. Good afternoon, sir. How you going? Like to try one of the oysters in the shell today? That's right. So we just basically just shock it like this first. Right, so I open them out. Wash them out like this. Cut him. What you want? How to this man, boy? This is not oysters, no, sir. This is 40 body gun oil. Just prime up before you climb up. Before you slime up, your time up. Pepper the boss sauce like the medium. No pepper? Slide? Alright, cool. A little bit of oyster sauce. A little bit of tamarind sauce. Try next one, boss. Come on, man, the BM. Come on. Well, I'm a cameraman in the house here, so the cameraman need to prime up. So we have to give him one. And these oysters are small, open big oysters, my boy, and them to suck, man.
Fresh oysters?
Yeah, them no dive. Yeah, fresh. Tasting the difference in it. Double. I have to make sure the cameraman seeing good, you know. And if he is seeing good, being problem. Basically, people don't know how to open our oysters most of the time, right? Our oysters have a sharp edge and an eye to open to the front of them. Here's the back of the oysters, sharp, here's the front of the oyster. So you go in inside, wiggle, jiggle, come down the side. And you see the size of this. Give my rinse some clean water again. Give my rinse out there again. Cut them out. Fresh lemon. Shadow Benny. Very slight pepper. Medium. Tamarind. Prime up the boss. 40 body gun oil. Yeah, as I was showing you now. The shells and them just have small ones on top of them. Like for instance, if I open up this one here, I go open up this one and have this oyster on top of the back of it. Like here. Yeah, so the size here, it has one.
So that's a younger one.
Yeah, and then you open it, the meat will be so thin in it, so you might not open it. So instead of just throwing it away.
Right, so that's another one.
That's another one there. So you get back hold on. You don't hold on here already. Eventually you get push out the size again. If it this side and throw it away, come and get it straight in the ground. Like all this. Right? See now? Always have one on top of it. Always have one, 2, 3 on it. When you don't open the shell, throw it back in the ocean. Simply watching this one, you have one on top of it too. See? If you already know what you're doing.
Yeah, the process happens so fast.
Yeah,
Just
why?
your glove.
Right. And within the process of opening now, you just, you understand? Yeah.
So you dive in every day?
Yeah, I just dive my own oysters, fresh oysters every day. I like to do everything fresh too, boy. I believe in that. I don't like to soak. Oysters. So they know Trinidad Tobago, well, they see how we just be doing it, as I show you, everything going piece by piece, step by step. Well, when you come to Bodow, this is what we do it. You know the river mouth right here, you can't miss it at all. You have a lovely view as you can see. So long as you're coming along this coastline here, look out for we here. Bodow. We're just open from Tuesday to Sundays from 11:30 until. Sometimes we go until about 11, sometimes we go, it all depends on how the road run. But call us, we have a contact number. 305-5781, 283-5859.